Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Ever wondered why some people seem to bulk up effortlessly, while others struggle despite putting in all the hard work? Well, today we're diving into the world of body types to uncover the secret behind the mesomorph advantage. First, let's break down the basics. Body types, or somatotypes, are typically categorized into three groups: ectomorphs, endomorphs, and mesomorphs. If you've got broad shoulders, a narrow waist, and seem to gain muscle just by looking at a dumbbell, you're probably a mesomorph. Now, why do mesomorphs have such an edge in muscle building? According to personal trainer Phil Catudal, mesomorphs have a naturally higher muscle mass and lower fat levels. This means they can see significant results from moderate workouts. Imagine getting more swole with less effort. Sounds like a dream, right? But wait, it's not all sunshine and gains. Mesomorphs can gain fat just as easily as muscle. So while they might have it easier when it comes to bulking up, they need to stay on top of their diet and exercise to avoid unwanted weight gain. What about ectomorphs and endomorphs? Ectomorphs, with their lean frames, often find it tough to gain weight and muscle. They benefit from high-calorie, nutrient-dense diets and strength training with heavier weights. On the flip side, endomorphs tend to carry more body fat, making workouts more challenging. For them, a focus on calorie control, muscle-building exercises, and high-intensity cardio is key. Regardless of your body type, there are some exercises that are fantastic for muscle gain. Let's go through a few of them. First up, squats. This foundational exercise targets the lower body, improving leg strength and core stability. Next, deadlifts, a compound movement that strengthens the back, glutes, and hamstrings while enhancing overall power. Bench presses are essential for building chest, shoulder, and tricep muscles. Overhead presses focus on the shoulders and also engage the core for stability and balance. Finally, pull-ups, a bodyweight exercise that develops upper back, bicep, and grip strength. So, whether you're a mesomorph, ectomorph, or endomorph, remember that tailored workouts and diets can help you achieve your muscle-building goals. And hey, if you're a mesomorph, enjoy that natural advantage. But don't forget to put in the work, keep pushing, stay committed, and unlock your muscle-building potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips. Catch you in the next video.